Alright, you guys. I think it's time to retire this. This drill. I've had this drill for probably about 8 years, I want to say. Roughly. This thing is kind of broken right here. Sometimes you see it was just all the way against here. So yeah, it served me, good. I mean, there's just so much dust and grime in the motor there. And this ain't a brushless motor. So you can smell it starting to cook once in a while I'm using it. But yeah, the batteries, they're just not holding up anymore. So I figured it's time to retire the Roby. Recycle it. So I got another thing, another drill that's going to take its place. Guess what it is? The Milwaukee M12 CP15. So I do have this battery. I have this for my Milwaukee jacket. This comes with actually 2 batteries, which is nice. Carrying case and a charger. And you can pick this up for like $100. But I do stand behind my Milwaukee stuff. Like I have drills. They're impact gun, they're a regular drill, and the smaller impact gun. Love their drills. Love their equipment. They just work. Unlike DeWalt and... I mean, Roby's pretty good. So yeah, I picked this up at Home Depot. Let's tear this tape off here. Let's see what we get inside. Oh, it comes inside the carrying case. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Quality build. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. One city north of me from Racine, Wisconsin. So I like to support my state. Really nice carrying bag. I mean, I'm going to use this bag for something else. Maybe I'll use it for the e-bike. Could be a nice little lunch bag. So there we go, we got alright, so you get a chance to win some tools. I'll probably enter that. So we got our instructions. Came with a Phillips bit. Who reads the instructions? Nobody. So I already have one of these chargers. So it's nice to have another one. I'll keep one in the work truck. Charge my jacket during the winter. Piece of cardboard. But yeah, I mean, this was surprising that this came with 2 batteries. And you know, these batteries ain't gonna take that long to charge, unlike that my Roby. But yeah, I was trying to finish a PlayStation, and my drill ended up dying. I had to charge one, just like a couple screws away. And it died on me. So we're going to remove this clip. We don't need that. rotary stuff. That's nice. I mean, this thing's heavy. It's got... I don't know if it... I'm pretty sure it has a brushless motor. I would imagine it does. I know the other version did say brushless motor on the back side of it. Get both these batteries out here. So I'm going to charge them up fully. Set that to the side. That's a nice bag. So obviously we have like 3 18650 cells in here. Most likely Samsung cells. Ready, lock, and load. So here we have the battery meter here. It's halfway charged. Look at that, no play in this thing. Well, I don't think it's a brushless motor. You can see a spark in there. So that's a nice feature. A speed sensor in the handle. This one doesn't have one. It's just constant. But yeah, this thing is, when I have my bits in there, that thing is wobbly. Which was causing me problems trying to drill stuff in. The screws. See, not that much wobbliness. So you got all your different settings. That's the setting I'm most likely going to be using right there. Yeah, I mean, it's a little bigger than the other drill. Not really much. I can get used to it. But just having that long battery life and to be able to just change it out right away. That's going to be a nice thing. Yeah, I'm going to do more research. I'm pretty sure it's not a brushless motor. So I can see the two terminals arcing. Get some dust in there. Start a little nice fire. So yeah, pretty nice little drill. Yeah, mainly this is just for the game consoles and stuff. So I hope you guys liked the video of the unboxing of the Milwaukee drill. And this model is the CP 1.5 M12 2401-22. cordless screw gun. That's what I want to call it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right there. And as always, thanks for watching.